welcome back to the studio. So as you can see behind me, my studio is just a big mess. We're getting ready for a wedding at my house. And so I have every project known to man going on, and most of them will not make it into a video. So I'm sorry about that, but you will see a few wedding videos coming up. Today's Easter, so I wanted to make sure that I gave you an Easter project as a cool thing you can do with your family or with your kids. Now this is a 3D egg that I got for like 99 cents at a store. Kind of made out of cardboard like the letter B's that I have as a project for the wedding. So we're going to use a cup that I purchased that has 8 sections. It is a 3D printed cup, and we're going to put those with some Easter colors and do a pour out using that new cup. So hope you get to try this at home. All right, so for this quick video now, I have put all of my colors in except the last. On my outside edges, I'm putting the same color, which is this beautiful lilac, and it is actually leftover paints from one of my paintings that I did a lot of purples and pinks. So these are all pretty runny. We're going to see how this turns out. Now this is going to be more than enough paint for all of the surface as well as the sides. So let me get my gloves on and we'll get this going. All right, so I've decided I'm going to pour from the biggest side to the smallest side, and we're just going to go from there. I'm pouring out on, my table is covered with plastic, but I also have newsprint down so I could just lift this up and do additional projects after. So let's get going. Ready? Oh, hold on. That looks cute, but I'm going to move you down to the side so that you can see the... All right, let's try this one more time. Sorry about the delay here. So I see with this cup, the purple or the lilac just pours right through the center there. That is so cute. And actually, I have way too much paint. So we're going to get ourselves a different canvas for the rest of this, but look at it. That is fabulous. Let's go ahead and do our tilting right with you, right at that edge. Now, how do you tilt this? I was going to do a spin around, but I think I'm just going to tilt it. Oh, I love this. I'm actually just going to do this for the sides. All right, I am going to remedy my sides. All right, well, I certainly made a mess here, and I do want to control the way some of this looks. So I have my tube. I've cut the end off at an angle, and so I'm going to make some designs that make this look like I want it. I didn't get a lot of that purple to come out, but it's looking good, like this. right, I think I like that much better. So let me know how you like this, and we'll show you what it looks like when it's dry.